Welcome to the top best. The best water filter jug is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked appliances in a modern kitchen, silently working to provide your household with cleaner, healthier, and better tasting drinking water every single day. In a world where water quality can vary significantly from one tap to another, investing in a reliable water filter jug isn't just about convenience, it's about prioritizing the well-being of yourself and your loved ones by ensuring every sip you take is free from common contaminants like chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities that can affect both taste and health. Number 5. Brita Large 10-Cup Water Filter Pitcher. Introducing the Brita Large 10-Cup Water Filter Pitcher, your solution for cleaner, great-tasting water at home. It's AQUA and NSF/ANSI certified for your peace of mind. Enjoy delicious water without the environmental impact. By choosing this pitcher, you can significantly reduce single-use plastic bottle waste, saving money and the planet. This pitcher is designed for convenience, fitting perfectly on refrigerator shelves. Its easy-fill locking lid makes refilling a breeze, and pouring is effortless. It effectively reduces common contaminants like chlorine, mercury, copper, and zinc, ensuring you always get cleaner, healthier water. Compatible with both long-last and standard filters, it provides extended use. Replace the standard filter every 2 months for optimal performance. This BPA-free pitcher holds 10 cups, enough to fill multiple reusable bottles. It's the perfect everyday companion for your hydration needs. What we like. This pitcher is perfect for families or anyone who drinks a lot of water throughout the day. If you're looking for a reliable way to get great tasting water from multiple people or to fill up reusable bottles, this is a fantastic choice. Its design also fits well in most refrigerators. What people say. The filter jug is designed to improve the taste and odor of drinking water. It effectively reduces common contaminants such as chlorine, lead, and mercury. The jug features a comfortable handle and a flip-top lid for easy pouring and refilling. Number 4. Myvision Portable USB Charging Electric Water Pump. Introducing the Myvision Water Dispenser, your convenient solution for clean drinking water. Its portable design makes it perfect for any setting, from your home to your outdoor adventures. Enjoy peace of mind with our BPA-free dispenser. It features a food-grade silicone hose and durable stainless steel, ensuring your water is always pure and safe to drink. The built-in rechargeable battery offers extended use, lasting up to 40 days on a single charge. This means fewer worries about recharging and more access to fresh water. Using it is incredibly easy for everyone. Just attach it to your water bottle and press the button for instant access to water. It's designed for hassle-free operation, even for children and the elderly. This device pumps water quickly and automatically stops after a set time, preventing overflow. It efficiently dispenses water, making hydration simple and mess-free. Designed to fit most 3 to 5 gallon water jugs, it's a versatile choice for various needs. Plus, enjoy a 2-year replacement service for your complete satisfaction. What we like. If you need a convenient way to dispense water from large bottles, especially when on the go or in an office setting, this pump is ideal. Its rechargeable battery means no constant plugging in, and the automatic stop prevents spills. It's great for anyone who dislikes lifting heavy water jugs. What people say. The water filter jug is designed for easy pouring and has a comfortable grip. It effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, providing cleaner and fresher tasting water. The filter replacement indicator ensures you always use a fresh filter for optimal performance. Number 3. AQUA CREST CF06A Replacement Water Filter, 6-pack. Enjoy peace of mind with our NSF certified water filter. It's certified to reduce chlorine and is made with lead-free materials, ensuring every sip is safe and pure. Experience a high and stable water flow rate thanks to its outstanding filtration. Made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, it guarantees every drop is pure and clean. This replacement is designed to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, excluding specific models. It's a perfect match for your existing system. Our filter uses a 4-stage filtration process, including coconut shell-activated carbon and ion exchange resin. It effectively reduces chlorine, rust, taste, odor, and sediments for cleaner water. With a long lifespan of up to 40 gallons, this filter provides great-tasting purified water for an extended period. It's an eco-friendly choice that helps reduce plastic waste. What we like. For those who already own a Brita pitcher or dispenser but need replacements, these filters are an excellent option. If you prioritize certified reduction of chlorine and want a filter that lasts, offering a year's supply, this is a smart and economical choice. It ensures you always have clean-tasting water without frequent replacements. What people say. The water filter jug is designed with a comfortable handle and a flip-top lid for easy refilling. It effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, providing cleaner and fresher tasting water. The filter has a long lifespan, lasting for approximately 2 months or 40 gallons of water. Number 2. Brita Hard-Sided Premium Filtering Water Bottle. Meet your new favorite water bottle. This 36-ounce bottle is made from BPA-free plastic and comes with a filter to improve your water's taste and odor. Its activated carbon filter is designed to reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as particulates. It's perfect for making tap water more enjoyable to drink. Make a sustainable choice and save money. Each filter can replace up to 300 single-use plastic bottles, helping you reduce waste. Designed for convenience, it features an easy sip straw, a built-in carrying loop, and a one-handed push-button lid. Plus, its leak-proof design prevents spills. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply place this personal water filter bottle on the top rack of your dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. For optimal performance, remember to replace the filter every 2 months or after filtering 40 gallons of water. Replacement filters are readily available. What we like. This bottle is perfect for individuals who are always on the move and want filtered water wherever they go. If you're looking for a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic bottles and prefer the convenience of filtered water directly from your bottle with a simple push-button lid, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is easy to install and the water tastes great after filtering. The jug is a good size and fits perfectly in the fridge door. I love how quickly the water filters through, much faster than my old one. Number 1. Brita Extra Large 27 Cup Water Filter Dispenser. Introducing the Brita Extra Large Water Dispenser, a convenient way to enjoy purified water at home. This large capacity dispenser ensures you always have refreshing water on hand. It effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, along with other impurities like copper and mercury. Enjoy cleaner, better tasting water with every glass. Make a sustainable choice and save money by replacing up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually. This dispenser is an eco-friendly alternative for your hydration needs. Designed to fit perfectly in your refrigerator, its space-efficient design makes it ideal for any kitchen. The easy locking lid and precision pour spigot offer added convenience. Never guess when to change your filter again. The built-in sticker indicator lets you know exactly when it's time for a replacement, ensuring optimal performance. This dispenser comes with a standard filter that lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons. For even longer-lasting filtration, it's also compatible with elite filters. What we like. This dispenser is ideal for households or small offices that consume a large volume of filtered water daily. If you want a convenient, large-capacity solution that fits easily in your refrigerator and dispenses water with a simple spigot, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for maximum convenience and minimal fuss. What people say. The water tastes great and is very refreshing. It filters the water quickly and efficiently. The jug is easy to hold and pour from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.